Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy Fold, and today I'll show you how to copy contacts from a SIM card to the device. So to get started, we will need to open up the standalone contacts app. Just quickly, there we go. So let's open up the contacts app. So it is right here in the app tray. Make sure you open up the standalone version of it, and then tap on the three dots right here, manage contacts, and we're gonna go to import or export contacts. Import right here, and choose to import it from SIM. It gives you a list of all the contacts that are located on the SIM card, so you can select the ones that you want to import. You also have a quick button right here to select all. But I'm not gonna be doing all, so yeah, select the ones that you want or all of them, and then tap on done, and gives the option where you can move them. So right now I only have one option, phone, but if you would have, for instance, a Google account or I believe Samsung account logged in, it will give you those two options as well. But I'm not, so it only gives me phone, and that's good enough. It's where I want to move it anyway. Then tap on import, contacts imported, okay, and you're done. The contacts have been now imported. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.